Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy English Hub. Today we're talking about a super fun topic, how to improve your English by reading. It's a fantastic way to learn, and we'll show you how. First, let's talk about vocabulary. Reading is a fantastic way to learn new words. You don't just see a word alone, you see it inside a sentence. This is called learning in context. It's like a magic trick for your brain. For example, you read "the sun is bright." You understand bright means full of light. Then you read "she is a bright student." Now you see bright can also mean smart. Context shows you the word's different meanings. It's much better than a long list of words. Why? Because you see how the word is actually used. This makes the word easier to remember. You learn its meaning and its usage at the same time. It's like getting two lessons in one. Your vocabulary will grow bigger and bigger, and you'll understand English more deeply. This is the first secret power of reading, building a strong vocabulary naturally. Next, let's talk about grammar. Do you think grammar is difficult? Reading can make it easy. When you read, you see correct English sentences. You see them over and over again. Your brain starts to notice patterns. It sees how verbs change, like go becomes went. It sees how questions are formed. It's like your brain is quietly learning the rules. This is called passive learning. You are not studying a boring grammar book. Instead, you are enjoying a story, but your brain is working hard, learning in the background. It builds a feeling for what sounds correct. Soon, you'll just know that he goes sounds wrong, and he goes sounds right. You won't even have to think about the rule. It becomes natural. It's like putting a puzzle together. The pieces of grammar just start to fit. Reading builds a map of English grammar in your mind. Reading also helps with something tricky, spelling. English spelling can be strange. Many words don't sound how they are written. Think about a word like knife. It starts with a silent letter, or the word no. How do you remember these strange spellings? By reading. When you read a word many times, your eyes get used to it. Your brain makes a mental picture of the word. It remembers what the word looks like. So when you need to write the word, your brain remembers the picture of the word with all its letters. It's like visual memory. The more you read, the more word pictures you store in your brain. This makes you a better speller. You won't have to guess as much. You'll just remember how the word looks. It's a very effective way to master English spelling. So what should you read? My first big tip is start with children's books. Yes, really. Children's books are perfect for beginners. Why are they so good? First, they use simple words. The sentences are short and easy to understand. You won't feel overwhelmed. Second, they have lots of pictures. The pictures help you understand the story. If you don't know a word, you can look at the picture. The picture is like a visual dictionary. It gives you clues about the meaning. This makes reading less scary and more fun. Also, the stories are usually happy and engaging. Remember, the goal is to enjoy learning. So pick up a colorful children's book. You'll be surprised how much you can learn and how much fun you'll have. Another amazing tool is a graded reader. Have you heard of them? Graded readers are special books made for English learners. They are graded by level. This means they come in different difficulty levels. You can find books for level A1, which is a beginner, or A2, B1, and so on. How does this help? The book only uses vocabulary and grammar for your specific level. So if you are an A1 learner, the book won't have super difficult words. You will be able to understand most of the story. This gives you confidence. It makes you feel successful. It's a great way to read a full story without getting frustrated. You can find graded readers in bookstores or online. They often adapt famous stories, but they rewrite them in simple English, so you can enjoy great stories at your own level. Now, how should you read? Here's a very important rule. Do not look up every new word. I know this sounds strange, but if you stop for every word, reading becomes slow and boring. You will lose the flow of the story. So what should you do instead? Try to guess the meaning. Use the other words in the sentence as clues. This is called guessing from context. Look at the pictures if there are any. Ask yourself, what could this word mean here? It's okay if your guess isn't perfect. As long as you understand the main idea, keep reading. If you see the same word again and again and you still can't guess, then maybe you can look it up, but only for the most important repeating words. This makes reading an active thinking process. It makes you a detective searching for meaning. My next tip is about making reading a habit. The secret is consistency. It is much better to read for 15 minutes every day than to read for 2 hours only once a week. Why is this? Your brain learns best with regular practice. Think of it like exercising a muscle. A small workout every day makes the muscle stronger over time. It's the same for your English brain. Reading every day builds a strong habit. Soon, it will feel like a normal part of your day. Like brushing your teeth, it doesn't have to be a long time. Just find 10 or 15 minutes. You can read on the bus. You can read before you go to sleep. Just a little bit, every single day. This small, consistent effort will lead to big results. Here's a final superpowered tip. Read aloud. Don't just read silently in your head. Use your voice. Reading aloud is fantastic practice. When you read aloud, you are seeing the words. You are saying the words. And you are hearing the words. This connects your eyes, your mouth, and your ears. It helps with your pronunciation. You get to practice making English sounds. It also helps with your speaking rhythm and flow. It's like private speaking practice. You don't need a partner. You can go at your own speed. If a word is difficult, you can say it slowly 5 times. This builds your speaking confidence. You get comfortable hearing your own voice speaking English. So try reading a page or 2 aloud each day. It will make a huge difference. So that's our guide to improving your English by reading. Remember to start easy, choose topics you love, and read a little every day. Thank you so much for joining us at Easy English Hub. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing to read in English? We can't wait to hear from you. Happy reading, everyone. Bye-bye.